Hello everyone, welcome to the Microbiology Hub. In this video, I will give you information about Big Bang Theory. Content. Topic content as follows. Introduction, timeline of Earth and evolution, universe evolution, nebular hypothesis, Laplace nebular hypothesis, planetesimal hypothesis or binary theory, nebular hypothesis, expanding universe theory, Big Bang theory, and content of series. Introduction. Let's start with the basics. Increasing order or a sequence is Earth, Solar System, Milky Way Galaxy, and the Universe. There are two categories of theories, early theories and modern theories. Early theories are focused on origin of Earth, but modern theories focused on origin of Earth, Solar System, Milky Way Galaxy as well as the universe. Timeline of Earth and universe evolution. Early theories and modern theories as follows. In 1755, nebular hypothesis proposed by the German philosopher Immanuel Kant. In 1905, planetesimal hypothesis or binary theory proposed by the Chamberlain and Moulton. Again modified nebular hypothesis proposed by Otto Schmidt and Carl Weizsäcker. Expanding universe theory proposed by the Edwin Hubble in 1920. In the same year, the Big Bang theory proposed by George Lemaître. Nebular hypothesis. Nebular hypothesis given by the German philosopher Immanuel Kant in 1755. What is meaning of the nebula? So nebula means a cloud of dust and gases like with hydrogen and helium. This cloud started slowly rotation with the gravity also assumed. During the rotation, gas and dust compact each other and form the planet around the sun. In 1796, mathematician Laplace changed in this theory a little bit and gave a Laplace nebular hypothesis. Planetesimal hypothesis. In 1905, Chamberlain and Moulton gave a planetesimal hypothesis, also called as a binary theory. The wandering star approached the sun and moved away. A Chagar-shaped extension of material was separated from the solar surface and continue revolve around the sun, and it slowly condenses it into planet. Why binary theory? There are two elements are included in the theory. That's why this theory also called as binary theory. So nebular theory, this theory is modified nebular theory. In 1905, Otto Schmidt and Carl Weizsäcker received the nebular hypothesis. Sun was surrounded by a nebula. Nebula means hydrogen and helium and dust. The fraction and collision particles lead to formation of a disk shape. Planets were formed through the process of the accretion. Expanding universe theory. Whole universe originated from a primordial atom through explosion. In 1920, Edwin Hubble gave an expanding universe theory, provided the evidence at universe expanding. See the example. Ball without air having a bug on it. After some times, compress air in the ball. Size of ball increase, but size of bug not increase. In the second example, take a balloon and uh, give a colorful dots on it. Compress the air in the balloon. Size of dot will increase and size of balloon increasing, and the space between two points also increasing. In this theory, space between the galaxies are increased, but size of galaxy not increased. Big Bang Theory. In 1920, George Lemaitre gave a Big Bang Theory. Big Bang Theory, also known as the expanding of universe or expanding universe theory. All matter forms the universe existed in one place in the form of a tiny ball with the unimaginably ball volume, infinite temperature, and infinite density. Around 13.7 billion years ago, the present huge expansion took place. This huge expansion, called as the Big Bang. Expansion gives a result a matter, energy, atom, molecule, etc. Within the first second, the Big Bang, the Big Bang's some energy converted into matter and non-matter. The opposite type of the particle destroy each other. Remains matter survive. Most stable particle called as proton and neutrons. So proton have a positive charge and a neutron have a negative charge. Next 3 minutes temperature drop down and a proton and a neutron come together to form hydrogen and helium atom. After after 3 lakh years from Big Bang, temperature dropped to 4000 Kelvin and gave a rise atomic matter. The universe became a transparent. Steady state. Steady state theory in 1948, Fred Hoyle gave a steady state theory. He stated the when increasing the size of galaxies, no more increasing space in between the galaxies, but number of galaxies also increasing. But our expanding universe theory are uh, totally fails here. This steady state theory, but expanding universe theory was most acceptable by the scientists. Upcoming series content as follows. Thank you for watching video. Press the like button, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. Join our Telegram group, link in description box.